These are what?
See,
Young
this,
ones?
this is the young ones which was flying this year.
That didn't fly or did fly?
The fly, yes.
Yeah.
And here is another one.
Want me to close that?
We're gonna close it here.
Okay.
Like this. There's a fire also. This section, but from this section, I want to have the baby because already they proof for me.
Right.
That is like a medium distance speed is here. So I put all of them together. The many diplomas from this year, last year I got built also. So with diplomas here. This section, that I put together all kind long distance birds. Here is it. So they're picking which one they like it.
So you're not putting birds together, you let them do it?
Yes, but
Yeah, they're all...
I put all these, they're good birds. All the with diplomas, old bird, young bird together. There's this close families, long for 4, 5, 600.
So you just put your Hubins that you had inside there, you had a section with just Hubins.
Cubans, so it's gonna go closer up to here, but not this here. I have empty here. I have empty here. I have